We obviously recognise that drink driving is a big problem in the UK. It's no different to professional drivers. We also don't want the drivers to unknowingly make a mistake. Generally, we know 1 in 9 drink driving offences happen morning after. So in many cases, the drivers might think they're okay to drive, but they're not.
Simply takes 5 to 10 seconds. You breathe into it. Once it's passed, you can start the engine and go about your daily business.
If you're a haulier, you possibly pay around the same for 2 tyres as you would for an interlock. Last year we introduced a lease purchase programme to allow people to pay monthly, because a lot of commercial fleets hire radios and trackers and things over the period of the life of the vehicle.
Fleet operators can say to the workforce, as we take your driving seriously, we look after your safety seriously, and also your families, so that you can go home safe to your families at the end of the shift. What we would like to do is to work with the companies, both large and small, to make them safer, to make them feel they're safer, but to be able to promote safety in general.